Ever wondered what's lurking in your hotel shower? It might be as bad as you think. Our recent study found that on average, hotel shower heads harbor 12 times more bacteria than a pet bowl. I'm Brian Campbell, waterfilterguru.com, and today we're diving deep into the hidden world of bathroom bacteria. From slimy shower heads to germs lurking in the sink, we'll expose the truth about hotel and Airbnb hygiene. We conducted a study to analyze bacterial levels on various surfaces within both hotel and home sharing bathrooms. We swabbed things like sink faucets, shower heads, and bathtubs, and then analyzed the results. Here are some of the key findings that were the most surprising. Home sharing bathrooms had 3 times more bacteria than hotel bathrooms. The dirtiest surface in both types of bathrooms was the sink faucet, which, believe it or not, was thousands of times more contaminated than the toilet seat. Hotel shower heads were also teeming with bacteria, hosting millions of colony-forming units. Before we look at the rest of the data, like this video and share it with someone who regularly stays in hotels or Airbnbs. Now let's compare the bacterial levels found on specific surfaces. Home sharing sink handles had 250,000 times more bacteria than their hotel counterparts. Home sharing bathtubs were 1,500 times germier than hotel baths. The shower handles in home shares had 65 times more bacteria than those in hotels, and the shower head twice as much. And interestingly, both hotel and home sharing sink faucets had roughly the same bacteria levels. Our investigation also revealed shocking comparisons between bathroom surfaces and everyday objects. Home sharing sink faucets had 60,000 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Hotel shower heads boast 12 times more bacteria than a pet bowl, and hotel sink faucets are 3 times germier than a kitchen sink. As you can see, cleanliness goes far beyond what meets the eye. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on and stick around for one of our other water testing videos, which is coming up next. Click or tap to keep watching.